Zhejiang Dingke Energy Technology Company Limited, established in 2022, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of lithium battery, energy storage systems, pure sine wave inverter, and portable power supply. Our products are widely used in PV off-grid systems, PV storage systems, household energy storage, industrial and commercial energy storage, communication base station energy storage, data center backup power supply, and modular lithium battery products. We are located in Wenzhou City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. In addition, we have obtained FCC, ROHS, CE, UN 38.3, and MSDS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, Africa, South America, Asia. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders. Our company has established a perfect organizational structure and management system with a modern and intelligent enterprise management system and has an experienced technical team. There is a sound standard system in product research and development, manufacturing, process control, quality management, quality standard system, and after-sales service to ensure that users experience high-quality products and satisfactory services. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.